students ki whatever you do, don't take that failure thing to your heart, or if you have succeeded, don't take it to your head. That's what I have learned all my life, that if you have learned that modesty, and teachers mein bhi ye cheez honi chahiye. If you're modest na, student will come to you. Student will come to you no matter what. If you are not even well dressed, if you're like very much naive only, you're not able to express yourself, but at the end you are going to rule it. I mean, ruling students' heart is not an easy job, right? So if you are putting that heart out, that's the main game. Okay, so that's what teaching. I'm thankful for her. Despite being 12th pass, she was able to culminate that thing into me. Okay, nahi, aapko padhna hai, it's very important. You have to study, you have to read and all that. So I'm really grateful and thankful. I have that gratitude for her. So it doesn't matter what your qualification is, because mark sheet anyway we don't take out our degrees and all that. It's how you interact. It's how you whatever student feels about you. क्या आपकी इज्जत कर पा रहा है? That's what it is. That's what teaching is. इज्जत कर पा रहा है तो वो सुनेगा. That's what the teaching I think belongs to.
Okay, one last.
I came back to Bharewa and I was like, I had to help my father in that. Okay, I'll just see the education here, what is happening here, and I held some PTMs. Okay, parent teacher meetings. I mean, hardly 2 to 3 parents came, and it was a collective PTM, like for 2 to 3 classes. Morale down ho jata hai, and the parents who actually want their students to do good, I mean children to do good, they could not, मतलब क्योंकि interaction आधा रह गया ना, teachers का morale भी down हो गया, और आपको उस down morale के साथ काम करना है. मैंने वो चीज़ देखी यहाँ पे. If I go to Jammu, if I go to higher cities, bigger cities, I'll be seeing कि parents दे रहे अपना, they're giving you their 100% despite of being busy in their lives and all. But here I have seen that parents have just put their children into this school and thing, and they're not as such. I have not seen that because PTMs have failed badly here. And I also agree that mostly people are belonging to the labor class thing, and they are not able to उनको पता ही नहीं है, concepts ही नहीं है. So even so like you said ना, हम एक activity कर रहे हैं, parents will be aware कि okay ये चीज़ें ज़रूरी हैं, ये बच्चे का curriculum maintain करने के लिए ज़रूरी है. But यहाँ पे बहुत fundamental चीज़ें चल रही हैं अभी, बहुत basic, बहुत primitive type of education है. So we want to improve that, and we want more participation of teachers here and also parents, so that the communication gap doesn't come along, and students do not suffer as such. That's all.
जैसे कि हरार ने आपको बताया कि हमारे यहाँ पे एक इंटरेक्शन है, हमें पीटीएम में मतलब हम पेरेंट्स से भी पूछेंगे, टीचर से भी पूछेंगे और स्टूडेंट से भी पूछेंगे कि सबका कैसा यहाँ पे चल रहा है, मतलब एक स्टूडेंट अपना कितना यहाँ पे दे रहा है, या फिर एक टीचर जो है वो अपना 100% दे रहे हैं या नहीं. तो मैं आपसे ही पूछूंगी, आप अपना नाम बताएंगे.
Question anything from the parents and you as well. So considering कि आज का जो ये बहुत फास्ट ट्रैक है लाइफ, पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी हैं, तो पीटीएम को लेके आप पेरेंट्स सामने बैठे हैं, कुछ उनको बोलना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, that has been a trouble for us because PhD or maybe so as I told we had a teacher when I was a child.